Hello, we will today be speaking about a Shopify Connector product that has been used by our clients. Regarding the project and our client, let me give a brief introduction. Our client operates an e-commerce store specializing in the sale of baby products, including strollers and clothing. Streamlining operations and improving the customer experience, they have chosen Odoo by implementing the Shopify Connector. And this integration will basically help them efficiently manage their online store, inventory, orders, ultimately boosting their growth in the competitive baby products market. Now let me give you a quick introduction about how the Shopify instance looks. As you can see in the product, as you can see in the image, Shopify is having its orders, product, customer and stock being synced to Odoo. Basically, it's a centralized data management system where it's streamlining the management of products, customers, inventory, and orders by centralizing the data in Odoo, and it's ensuring the synchronization of product listings and order details in real time. Odoo integration implemented in the Shopify connector is to synchronize data between the Shopify e-commerce store and the Odoo ERP system. It is basically a bidirectional flow of data between the two platforms. Now let me show you how the Shopify instance looks. As you can see, this is the Shopify instance that has been configured to get data or push data to Shopify. This is the Odoo side, and this is the configuration that has been configured previously. As you can see, we have configured a few parameters out here, like the company, the store URL, the customer key, customer password, and shared secret to actually link the store with the Shopify connector. Here we have our currency information, our product information, our order information, like which status orders are to be synced with Odoo, the tax information, and finally the webhooks configuration. What is basically webhooks? Webhooks is something that it is a functionality that invokes a functionality in Odoo. Whenever you create a product or orders, or for a matter of instance, a customer on Shopify site, automatically a functionality is invoked in the Odoo side, which will help you create the same order, customer, or product in Odoo itself. So basically, webhooks are working like that. So you have this automatic webhooks that work. Then you have the crons that make sure that if you run it on a daily basis or a monthly basis, it will fetch you all the products. As you can see, this is the auto customer import. It will fetch you all customers that are not present on your Odoo. Auto product import, it will fetch all the products that are not there on your Shopify. For now, as you can see, there is this store URL, Shopify URL, where you can fetch from. For instance, we have spoken about webhooks, we have spoken about crons, and this specific operation, as you can see, it is where create record, where the record has not been created and you want to manually create that record. You want to update a record, or if you're not sure about whether the record is being created or updated, you can create or update the record. You leave it out to the Odoo configuration, where if the particular product has been created, you update it, and if the particular product or customer order or customer has not been updated or it is not created, you can create it. In the import operation, as you can see, there are import orders, product discounts, product stock, collections, draft orders. So you can import whichever product you want to import. You can import all, you can import on specific ID, or you can import on the date filter. We will now be focusing on webhooks that trigger once the product is created on Shopify. We will be creating a product named Product Demo 331 on Shopify. As soon as we save the product, we will see that a queue job has been created in Shopify. It will take a moment for the queue job to progress and from the new state it will move to the done state. As you can see, the product has been successfully imported from Shopify. We will go to the product and see for ourselves. Product demo 3311. Its price is $15, cost is $10, and as you can see, the Shopify vendor is test vendor. Now let us quickly create a purchase order for the same. For test vendor, we have created the order for product demo 3311. We'll be having 6 of these to be ordered. We'll be confirming the order, and we have one more step, that is the approval of the order. Once the order is approved for this particular product, we will receive the items, validate them, and post validation we will also see that the queue job has been created for a particular purchase order. These items have been pushed to Shopify. We'll be waiting for these orders to process. We will see that these orders have been processed, the stock has been processed, and the orders have been updated. Now if we go to Shopify sales and search for the order, the product, we will see that on-hand quantity is 6 and it is waiting to be synced for the same. 6 products have been imported. Now we will wait and create a sales order for the same on Shopify. For the same product demo 3311. It is having 6 in quantity, so we'll make an order for 2 in quantity. We have created an order for the same. Now we will go in the queue jobs to see if there are any waiting items. Yes, we see that the sales order has been created for the particular product. Now we'll wait for this sale order to proceed, and it will move from the new state to the done state. Now as we can see, yes, this has been progressed, and we will go in the particular order, in the particular product, and see what is the quantity of the product right now. Product demo, as it was 6, right now it is 4. Let us go to the orders, the sales order, and look. Yes, this is the sales order that has been, no, this is not the sales order. Let us go to Shopify, the orders, the order number was, 158. So let us quickly search for the order. That is 158. Yes, this is the order 158. As you can see, a product demo 331 has been created. As you can see, the line items has been created for product demo 331, and this order has been successfully created in Odoo. To conclude with, we will be showing a feature that we have developed for our client. That will be in the accounting module. in the vendor bill section, when we create a particular bill for a particular vendor, that is test vendor, we'll be also having this particular feature that is not present in version 15, where we can post that bill automatically and create another bill for the next month as well. And this bill will automatically be going into the posted state. We will be using October 19, 2025 as the auto post until time. In the invoice lines, we'll be having, suppose, a rent for the particular vendor, and then we'll be having a price of $1,200, and we'll be saving it, and a particular cron will be running to make sure that this thing is in place. We are forgetting the bill date, so we'll be putting the bill date, and yes, particular cron will make sure that it is posted, and another bill with the same details have been created for the next month. Now it has been created for the month of 19th 10th 2023. While we refresh it, yes, this has been posted, and it is in the where we can register the payment and make a payment for this. So we will find the particular bill that has been created for next month. Yes, it is. And here you can see that a bill has been created for the next month as well, with the same line items that we had in the previous bill. So this is the feature that we have created for our client. To conclude with, we have actually created a lot of items, and we have automized a lot of things in the modules that we have defined for the client. For example, in the sales module, we have automized most of the products creation part, the orders part in the sales. Then in the accounting for the vendor bills part, we have automized it. In the purchase part, a reminder for vendor bills, we have planted the schedule activity, and we have created a configuration for the same. So in this manner, we have automized a lot of activities in this project. Thank you.